Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the Vlocity tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain about Extract DataRaptor. As I said in the previous video, Extract DataRaptor is used to get the data from the Salesforce. In the org, let's see how we are using this Extract DataRaptor and how we can configure this DataRaptor. Yes, here if we need to click new to create the Extract DataRaptor, and here we need to give a unique name for the DataRaptor. uh, let's give a unique name here. uh, it's a extract means get underscore account contact. I need to get account and contact records. As this is an extract, we need to select an extract DataRaptor, and input and output will be the JSON. If we save, we can configure this DataRaptor. Here also we have 5 tabs. Extract In the extract tab, we are going to add the objects from which we are going to get the records. Add extract setup. If we click here, we will be getting a drop down from which we need to select account as an object. Let's select account as an object here. We need to select account as an object, and we need to give some variable to store the result of this queried account results. And if we want to filter based on let's say some name, based on account name, I'm filtering where name equal to name, which I'm going to pass as a variable to this record, to this object. And also I need to get the contacts. For this we need to select contact from this drop down. We'll get the contact here in the drop down. Yes, we got contact. Here we need to give some variable con, so that we can refer these records using con, and also filter where uh, account id equals to acc colon id. That means we are passing account id to the contact using this variable. We can access any field using this variable. So I have written acc colon id. In the output, if we observe the output, we will be having extract JSON path. Both are JSON path, and we need to get the data like name, that will get the account name acc colon name, that should be mapped with account account colon name. That means it will create a node like this. Under the account, the name will be created. Similarly, if we want to showcase the id, just we need to select acc colon id, so that the id field will come here. id that will be placed under account colon id. So here again in the account, the name and id will be stored. Now we need to get the contacts. Let's suppose we need to get the last name from the contact. So we need to give colon last name, and this should be placed under the contact colon last name node. Under the contact node is created, under that last name is also created. And also now we need to get the first name. For this we need to type colon first name, and we need to store under the contact in that. Yes, and in that first name should be stored in the under the contact. See, it's created. And also we need to get the phone. For that we need to write colon phone. So we'll get the contact phone colon phone is we have selected. We need to store under contact. For this contact colon phone, so the phone is added here. And also we need to display email. For that we need to type it as email. Wait a second. Email, here we need to give email colon email. In that we need to place under email, we need to place under the contact this email field. See, now email is also created. Like this, the output will be generated based on the this output tab. In the preview we need to pass a key and value pair. Key and value pair, what we need to pass, like I said, we are going to pass name as a name as a variable to this thing. So we need to paste here this name. And suppose I want to 1 second, suppose I want to call this account and contact, related contact, and passing this as a value. So name equal to Santosh ACC will get the all the details. This is the name of the account, this is the ID of the account, and also these are the details of the related contacts. If we observe the related list and if we go down, we will be getting the contact list here. Then here see email and phone are we got in the DataRaptor. This is all about extract DataRaptor. See, we got whatever the linked account and contacts, we can able to get this. And also we will be having options like check field level security. These are all of the these are all are to verify whether the Salesforce permissions and all should follow or not, like that. And preview, this is extract tab. We will be extracting the objects. We can also use formulas which I have explained last video. This is the output for the extract DataRaptor. It will the output will be the JSON and the input will also be the JSON. For this we can also edit as JSON. We can also pass this as a JSON name. Okay, thank you friends. In next video I will be explaining the other concepts.